So rare diseases are defined as diseases that have under 200,000 people in the United States. So they're actually a very large group of people affected by rare diseases, because although each particular rare disease affects few people, there are so many of them that the population is actually very great. However, the resources made available to these communities are a lot less compared to the diseases we're all familiar with, cancer, heart disease. And so it's really requiring, I think, in the future, or to really advance rare disease research, we need to mobilize the grassroots and use that to help generate the funds needed to take the research forward. And the technology now is actually really available and accessible if you have the right connections. And so Rare Genomics Institute really helps people make those connections and make possible what we can see is just, at the tip of our fingers. The partners that we have are able to provide patients with sequencing of a trio, so that means the patient and 2 close relatives to help really compare the genomes with, and that is in the range of about $7,500. Our crowdfunding, our experience so far is, it's ranged from 1 day to 4 months to raise that money. Typical donations are under $50, but when you group this all together, and you mobilize your friends and family and just the broader community who are willing to help people with rare diseases, people are willing to help, and the funding is not only